Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. What we have today is another unboxing, guys. This one's from White Mountain Knives. First, I want to just thank all the channel members. Thank you guys so much. I want to thank everybody that's just come by, checked out the channel, getting to know it. I appreciate you. I love that you watch the content. If you get to where you like it and you'd like to get notified when I release new content and go live, if you'd hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon next to it, it would really help me out. So what we are going to do today is open using our Amazon little box cutter flipper titanium knife that has kind of taken the spot of my unboxing knife because it does do such a good job. And let's see what we've got here. Peanuts. Guys, I'm losing my mind on these fixed blades. This is a MIDGARD-MESSER, what they would call a small fixed blade. It's a little guy. And S30V, a little bit of MIDGARD-MESSER literature, sales stuff. Nice little pouch. My first one, oh yeah, that one comes out a lot better. Guys, you know how I like small knives. And I like ridiculous knives, right? So there's the small knife, there's also the ridiculous knife, and there's a combination of both. So for me, these little guys, when I first saw this one, the Tanto, I had to check it out because, again, it wasn't crazy expensive. It was at White Mountain Knives where I could use a 10% Javon 10 discount code. Um, it's S30V. It is extremely well done, overbuilt. Just, I mean, let's see if this will even cut through paper. I know it would cut through people, and I know it would cut through, oh yeah, very slicey, even though it's extremely thick behind the edge. Very impressed with these knives. The first one, again, if there was any criticism that I could give these knives, it's that I wish the sheaths were a little better, giving you more versatility in how you carry it. It's kind of locks you into carrying it belt style. But this might be one that makes its way up to see Lancelot leather. This is, guys, I have no idea the name of this knife. I will let you know in the title of this. Or I'll let you know in the description. Probably won't be in the title since it's an unboxing. This is the one I got about a month and a half ago, and then I saw this one in stock. And again, you know how I do with my weird fixed blade obsession. I'll see a sheep's foot and then I'll buy a drop point, or I'll see the drop point and then I'll buy the sheep's foot if I like the knife. This one does feel a little bulbous in the hand, but again, to me, this knife is kind of a novelty knife, even though it's perfectly balanced. Look at that on my finger. It just balances perfectly. But it does feel a little hard in the hand. Again, if you're using it for a Slurpee saver, or you're using it because you've got to breach something, or you're using it because you're trying to get a fire started, um, I think it'll work just fine. And again, I got it for its kind of whimsical value to me. This channel, a lot of it is about how knives make me feel, and crazy knives like this, overbuilt small knives that I can carry around. It just really, really stokes me out. And this is number 43 of 100. So I guess these were series. Let's see if this one's got a number on it. This is 41 of 100. So that would have been cool if they were both 43s, but maybe there's another pattern at White Mountain Knives that I can find. And I noticed that one's a little longer too, the Tanto is. I'll have to get back on there and see if there are any other Midgards that I might have missed. Again, I bought these guys because I really liked them. I did use my 10% Javon 10 discount code. Nice sharpening choils, nice stone washed um, blades on these guys. And again, they're S30V, um, made over, I don't know if they're made in Germany or if they're made in China. I'm assuming Germany. I don't know why I say that, but if they're made in China, it doesn't bother me either. They're very rough. When I say rough, they're just kind of overbuilt and done, left, not left more rugged looking, I guess I should say, than rough. Rough's really the wrong word, but just a little chunk of steel, not super heavy. I think it'll carry fine. And then again, the balancing on it is really nice. I'll take it out next day or so before we do a review, and we'll chop some bamboo with it in a short or something to see how it whacks through some material. But guys, again, just a simple unboxing I wanted to share with you guys. I will probably upload this here this evening. That's why if you'd like to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon, it'll let you know when I do stuff like that. And then again, I just want to thank any one of you and every one of you who've come by and checked out the channel. You're always welcome here. I love you all. I appreciate you, and I'm very humbled by the fact that you all even watch the content that I put out, if you can call it content. But guys, this is the Midgard-MESSER little fixie that they have over at White Mountain Knives. I will put in the description, and when we do the review, the name of this knife. It's got some RATATÖSK or some weird name. I can't pronounce it. I can't remember it. And it's not on my little pouch here that they sent out. So I'm at a loss without having my order to tell you which one it is. But guys, that's really all I got. And I'm glad you stopped by. Always happy to have you guys here. Again, I love you all. All I ask is if you'll please look out for that guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for one another. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.